Hey there, beautiful people. Today, we're going to dive into the world of anti-aging skincare, specifically discussing the benefits of this amazing serum that can help you regain that youthful glow. Aging is a natural process, but sometimes, those fine lines, wrinkles, and dull skin can make us feel less confident. That's where this advanced anti-aging serum comes in. Designed to reverse visible signs of aging and reveal smoother, firmer skin, this serum is a game changer. This is a solution for younger looking skin. The serum will prevent dry skin, itching, peeling, and cracking and help maintain skin suppleness and elasticity. So why not give it a try? Embrace your inner beauty and watch as your skin transforms back to its youthful radiance with regular use. Remember, aging gracefully doesn't mean giving up on your skincare routine. It means embracing products that can help you maintain your glow. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful or enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips and product recommendations. Until next time, take care of yourselves and stay beautiful.